Houses are different. We all need a house to live in. We live with our family in a house. Our house protects us from all kinds of dangers and keep us safe. It protects us from weather conditions like rain, heat and cold. They also protects us from animals and robbers. Houses can be of different types and built using different materials. We keep our things in a house. Houses in big and small cities. Houses in a big cities. In large cities, land and building materials cost more money. Therefore, people live in a smaller homes. Most people live in skyscrapers and apartment buildings in big cities. Fewer bungalows can be found here. Houses have many floors. Houses have less open space. Few houses have indoor parking. Houses in a small city. In a small cities are usually big because land and building materials needed cost less money. Houses have few floors. Houses have more open space. Many houses have gardens. Few houses have indoor parking. Bungalows and duplex houses are commonly found here. Many years ago, there was more space in the cities and houses used to be big, with gardens in the front. However, with changing times, the number of people has increased. So, the houses are smaller. Buildings that are very tall are called high-rise buildings or skyscrapers. Thank you. A presentation by Naseem D.